Hi everyone! Today I'm sewing a great wardrobe basic. This is a raglan sleeve pullover sweatshirt by Sonia Estep Designs. I'll leave the link below if you want to print it out and sew along with me today. This sweatshirt does have different variations. It includes a hoodie and a front pocket, but today I selected the most basic form, just a regular neckband. This way it keeps it nice and simple so I can pair it with all sorts of different bottoms and accessories from my closet. I will be using my serger for this entire project today, but you can definitely use your regular machine. Just select a narrow zigzag stitch for the 1/4 inch allowance that's provided with the pattern. I hope you sew along with me today. You will need one front piece cut on the fold, one back piece cut on the fold, 2 sleeves. I like to clip my front markings after I cut so I don't mix up my sleeves later. 2 bottom bands, 2 cuffs, and 1 neckband cut on the fold. With your front piece right side up, match up the corresponding front sleeve section right sides together. This is where your sleeve front marking comes in handy, and clip. Do this for both sleeves. Take it to your serger and sew both sleeves. Now that we've sewn the sleeves to the front bodice, lay your back bodice facing right side up and clip your sleeves the same way, right sides together, and serge. Our sleeves are attached, so now we can sew them closed along with the side seams. Clip both sides and serge. Fold your neckband in half the long way and clip the ends and serge. Now fold your neckband in half, wrong sides together, and mark the 1/4 points. Now that you've marked the 1/4 points of your neckband, do the same for your neckline. Now with right sides together, attach your neckband to the neckline. I like to place the center seam of my neckband at the back of my garment. Take it to your machine and sew or serge. Place your 2 waistband pieces right sides together, clip and serge the short ends. I've gone ahead and folded my waistband widthwise and corded it with clips. We will now attach it to the bottom of our shirt, matching seams, center fronts and backs. So go ahead and attach it right sides together. Now you can take it to your machine and sew. You may need to stretch as you sew your waistband, but make sure not to stretch your actual shirt. So just ease in the waistband and it'll fit perfectly. I'm going to apply my waistband to the bottom of the shirt, slightly stretching the waistband and making sure not to stretch my shirt. Fold your cuffs in half, making sure that your stretch is horizontal, and clip. Now sew both edges and then we'll attach it to our shirt. Now that your cuffs are wrong sides together and quartered, match up the clips. And serge. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I'll see you next time.